Going left.
We're not going left high ground. They're going high ground. You can just meet them left.
Okay, rotate left side.
Yeah.
They dropped
Lucio
down.
on point, discorded.
Yeah. Bubbling you.
Ryan one.
Ryan discorded.
Watch the Hanzo.
Ooh, the hog. Hog no home.
I'm gonna play this corner.
Oh shit!
Ryan in the back.
Hey,
Ryan in the
Ryan's
back. I'm on Ryan. He's dead.
I got my shield. Oh, Hog got me. Hog's on the point with Moira and Hanzo.
I'm backing out.
Shit.
Fucking Lucio needs to get out of my face. That was embarrassing.
Do they have a tracer? Yeah, they do.
Yeah, they
this
do.
corner.
It's
Tracer behind us.
Yeah, on him. Nice.
Nice, Melody. Okay, you're down one. I'm coming back from spawn.
I'm gonna go get high ground right away. Let's go get high ground right now.
Okay. Rotating to high.
I'm right behind you.
Okay. When are we gonna contest here?
As soon as they're
drop
under
down?
the bridge.
Okay, Lucio's coming up the boop.
I got booped off. I got booped off.
I bubbled you.
Sorry.
Okay, reset.
Wait, did the charge connect on you?
They got booped off, then he charged me immediately.
But I thought I bubbled the charge.
Hey, they're on me.
They got a double pull skill too, so
Okay.
yeah, we need it to just reset.
Grab the 77.
Nice.
I got shatter.
Alright, let's contest that point.
Push up. Don't let him get this. We need to touch.
Oh,
Sorry, I
shit.
tried to.
Just back up.
Ryan in the back. One.
Okay.
Dead. Let's go. Reset.
We're gonna need to do
We'll
something.
just get a clean fight here. They should have beat here for us, but we should be able to outdamage it. Just get a clean fight.
If I can shatter before beat, I'll look for it.
Hog's on right side here, where I am
we
right
have
now.
grab
I hear
dragons.
him over here.
We'll keep the damage boost up. Just don't get picked. Hog's on the
Yeah.
corner.
Yeah.
Are we pushing up or are we
He's
all
on
here?
I'm on Hanzo. He's one. Hog no hook. He's on me.
He's headshot. Double headshot.
Hog on the right.
Okay, are you ready, bro?
Yep.
Got two.
Any help over here with this
Hog
Hog?
behind.
Any heals?
I'm on Hog.
Let's get that. Oh, Hanzo's half.
We waited really long to test it. Okay, I'm gonna swap
Back
off
up to
the
me,
Hog.
back up to me.
Melody swapped a brig.
Alright, I gotta go in. We gotta move in.
Okay, touch.
Behind you.
I'm fighting the Hog. Hog dead. I'm on Ryan. You guys can touch cards.
You got their Moira?
Ryan here. I got Ryan.
Nice. There we go.
Okay, nice.
Stone card, don't let it.
Yeah, no C9 here.
Tracer in the back. It sounds like. Nice.
Nice.
Oh shit!
Hanzo's coming around the back as well.
Okay, I'll go. I can go.
Yeah, they're all coming across the line. They're all coming back.
Coming main.
Behind. Rotate behind.
They split me. I gotta wait for this dragon to finish.
Yeah. Okay, Ryan half.
Oh, Hanzo's behind us. Hanzo's on the moving the.
Ryan one. Ryan dead.
Oh,
Hanzo
Yeah,
one.
Hanzo's moving the car.
focus Hanzo if we can. Alright, it was a warm up. That was a warm up.
Did the dragon split us there? Why was that rotation so long?
Yeah, the dragon split me. Yeah.
Yeah,
we
we
had walls.
couldn't walk past the dragon.
Okay. Yeah, unlucky. That was a good play by the Hanzo. I don't know if it was
I am,
intentional or not.
Nova stinks.
We also, I think we waited way too long to contest. On last point, we waited really long to contest point.
Yeah.
I don't know why I was in that corner for like so long, and we were all pushed back. We should have just walked up.
I mean, you guys never stabilized after the first point.
Well, we did after we had that hard reset. Once they capped second point,
Oh, but you went to high ground, which oof, that made me cringe really hard. You guys gotta contest
No,
the
no, no,
point, like get the choke.
not second point, last point. What I mean is last point, when we lost last point, we had one regroup there, but that was when I was saying we should have contested earlier. We had everybody up, but we were playing close to like our spawn for some reason.
Yeah, and that when you guys held that high ground in the second, like in streets, you don't. You gotta contest as soon as possible.
Yeah, Panda's kind of an issue, so we should run.
Should be
break.
able to.
I don't think the Tracer even died. Oh yeah, you headshot her once. I saw that.
I killed her a few times when she was in her back line.
Yeah, but like in those team fights, we need somebody.
Yeah, I'm getting taken out of the team fight.
Yeah, she's like just way too annoying. Yeah, I think so. And just try and
Which way are we going? We're going bottom left?
No, let's go main.
Okay, let's go man. Then yeah. I'm with you.
The top right.
Yeah.
Let's go left side.
Okay, let's go left. I'm with you.
Just go. Don't even challenge him. Go straight to the point. Make him come.
I'm with you.
Behind us.
Bubbled you. Just fight. You could-
Hey, Tracer's on me and so is.
Ryan's weak.
One, Hunter's one.
There are a bunch
You're
of them.
Hog
separated.
Hanzo behind you.
They're all
I'm on the
on
point.
Just stay on point. Hanzo behind you, right?
Winnable. It's just a roadhog.
Okay, hog on right. Nice stun.
Hanzo no storm.
Hunter.
Oh, you guys got this.
Nice job, man.
Tracer. A recall?
Tracer no recall. Nice job.
Do it.
So they're gonna come in. Good. Let him.
I'm halfway to grab, so if you want to use dragon, you go ahead.
What'd you say about Lucio?
Lucio is on point. Oh, then never mind. You obliterated.
Nice job, guys. Pretty clean fight. Watch over that hog.
Okay.
Okay. Group for rally.
Hey,
Hog on
Tracer's
right.
in our back.
The Tracer button.
I'm with you, I'm
No
with you.
recall?
Tracer behind.
Coming main.
Hog's pushing in main. One.
low.
Thank you for the res. Thank you for the res.
Hey, Tracer's behind you.
I've grabbed. Ryan knows
Nice shatter
80.
block, dude.
80, okay.
Okay, we gotta
Yeah,
regroup.
that's a
They just popped. They popped a bunch of ults.
I'm backing out. Hog
They
no.
popped Shatter. They popped Whole Hog.
Yeah. I've grabbed here.
They popped Dragon.
I'm ready.
Yeah. They'll have beat for it, but
Holy shit, dude.
help me,
Tracer's
T-Rex.
still on our back line.
Help me with this hog. Oh man, they're pulling me out.
There.
back up.
Others.
You gotta reset. The Tracer's poking right side and focusing Zen.
I don't have Shadow this fight.
You
Okay,
Lucio.
you got-
Hog top.
Give me 2 seconds. Okay, ready.
Okay, I'm going around left and I'm gonna grab.
That Tracer?
Go ahead.
3 in
They're
there,
low,
3
they're
in
low,
there.
they're low.
4 in there. Nice job, guys.
Where's that Hanzo? Okay, he's dead.
Nice.
Do you want to push
Man.
up a little bit, make some space?
Yeah,
I'm really-
What's up?
Really glad I hit that. I didn't actually see where it was. I just shot through a wall.
I got Shatter, so if I got a chance to Shatter here while
Yeah.
we're pushing, I'll do
You
it.
can actually probably hide in this room a little bit.
Tracer's gonna go behind us for sure.
I can see if they're gonna contest us here.
Lucio's,
So
I think, on the right. Lucio hit.
You ready, sweet?
All right, you ready?
They're pushing towards me.
Go.
Oh. Doomfist on cart.
Get the Ryan. Ryan's one. Focus
I'm on him,
Ryan,
I'm on
right
him.
side. Literally one shot. Oh my god, how did you get so far?
I'm pushing back.
Me peek? Just come to me peek? Fuck this area.
I'm on point still. You guys got this?
Yeah, we got Zarya. We're pushing up.
Yeah, coming in.
I'm back on point.
Doomfist behind.
Ryan on the right.
I'm moving point.
Ryan's low.
I got it. I got point.
Okay, nice job, dude. I literally was in the right room, like, with Pete for so long. Like,
Hey, there's a Lucio on cart.
I'm on Hanzo.
I'll have Shadow this fight.
Lucio right side. Pop right. Sorry, I'm main by yourself.
Nice job.
Nice job, guys. Push up, push up. Zarya's close to grab. Zarya's gonna have grab soon.
Oops, that's not there.
Tracer's going behind. Doomfist, never mind, that's Doomfist.
Okay, watch Doom behind.
Watch the Hanzo's behind too, top right or top behind.
They're looking for a grab.
Yeah, they are.
That's okay, I have Prince.
Nice.
Nice
I have nothing for grab now though.
It's okay. Fight the Ryan.
Ryan's low.
Focus front. Can I grab here? Are you ready?
Yeah.
Okay, no. We just got grabbed. I'm gonna save for next fight, okay? No more ults, guys.
Okay.
No more ults. That's the last fight. I'm gonna try and get out.
Kill out Ryan, he's by himself. Oh, never mind, that's alright.
I don't think we can. We don't.
Yeah, I'll have Shadow this fight.
Everybody rally first. Get together here. Don't take poke damage. We can't get all the armor if we get poked. Okay, we good? I think we're good. I just walk up a little bit, sweet.
Yeah, go ahead and pop out.
Fuck.
Hey,
Nice.
Hey, spread out.
Dead.
Nice.
I'm with you, sweet. Push up with me. Moira's AFK. Okay, what the fuck?
Looking for Shadow here.
Okay. Push up left here. Just left front.
Coming
No,
down
Oh,
pillar.
no. Holy shit.
Oh, Ryan's
That triple tank.
Ryan's low.
Nice shatter. Roadhog. One.
nice. You guys got it. Pete, can you res by any chance, or I'm too far in?
He's coming back.
Oh, okay.
Okay, reset.
I have Trance again.
Grabs at 50.
Grab dragons.
They're running triple tank here.
People and I are coming back. People and I.
Okay, I'm just poking to get energy. Okay, you just miss that shit. Bubbling you for energy. Damn, 0 in. Go for that. Alright.
We're all here?
I'm pushing up a little bit. Just a poke.
You ready? I'm gonna dragons. 3, 2, 1.
Oh, they hooked me off from the side. There's a Roadhog on your right flank.
I'm separated on the right here.
Oh, I got hooked.
Got you over you. I almost have grab. Ryan's one, focus him. He's dead.
They're triple tanking?
Yeah, they have that. We probably should just die here.
Yeah.
Don't have much time, yeah. Okay, here guys, let's rally and then we move in with Trance and then I'm gonna grab. And then we just have to kill them.
Sounds.
We have 30 seconds here.
If you can grab a good amount of them, I could probably get a shatter.
If we can even fucking touch right here.
Yeah, we can. Let's go. I'm moving up.
I'm with you. Let's go.
Watch out, that hog is still there.
Hog right side. Just
Tracer,
walk
no,
left,
recall.
walk left,
No,
walk left.
really low.
3 in there. Swing up. They're all weak. Carry on one. Nice. We're hog behind. Keep moving forward. I'll get the hog behind.
I got more. Let's go. Stay on. I'm gonna move up. I got shatter.
Right.
He's looking for a hook off the cliff. Watch out.
Yeah. We're good. Steady,
He didn't know I
nice.
could wall climb.
Lucio's looking for a boop.
Okay, walk up.
Watch that, Ryan.
He's behind. Keep flying. There's a run.
What?
I'm with you, sweet. Doomfist one.
Where's one? Got her. Ah, I'm down.
Doomfist dead.
It's winnable, guys. Lucio.
Oh, beefy dude! Ryan one. Turn around, kill Ryan, please. Ryan on the back of the
Oh,
car.
shoot.
Literally won. Please, dude.
Nothing on the line.
Like literally anything, a melee would have killed him. It's just two people on cart.
Man.
Right, just
Turn around and kill the Ryan.
some
It's
things
okay.
I saw pretty quickly right now.